Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the error PC slow opening programs. To start, enter misconfig in the search box, select System Settings. The first thing you will do, in the General tab, is activate the Selective Startup box. Then, uncheck the Load Startup Items box. After this, in the Services tab, check the box to hide all Microsoft services. After that, uncheck the boxes for services that are not essential. When you do, click Apply and OK, click Restart to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.